Okay. Hey, that's perfect.
Yeah.
You turn it down. You just want a little crunchy chili. You don't want crunchy chili. Just like the vatos like to do it. Roast itself.
Does it get hot on the handle?
Not yet. Maybe even the wind blows the fire at me. $105 and 3 days, 10 hours probably worth of time.
Yeah, but that's because we didn't know how to use the welder.
Yeah. Still don't really know. Show them the latches, I guess. So the front's the other side, then these latches. I don't think they'll have any problem, but we'll see. Version 1 is pretty excellent, I think.
Hey, the wind doesn't blow it out.